Hey guys, so see I'm in Aura, Illinois. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but negative 19 degrees. Feels like negative 32, and I'll guarantee you it feels every bit of that. It's gonna get even colder tonight to 33 degrees until the sun starts to come up. Oh, this is a new weather app that I'm using by NOAA. I think I like it. You know, you can really zoom out. I'll play with this app another day with you guys. But anyway, so we're hooked up to a trailer. It's really freaking cold. Like, how cold? Watch this. So, watch. So I'm gonna use the windshield wipers, and then you'll see ice form. I really hope you guys can see this, and you can see smoke coming off. Now, this is negative 20 with like 3 or 4 bottles of rubbing alcohol in it. And any minute now, you'll see it just start to freeze. There it goes. See that? Look at that. I think that is so cool. So it's really freaking cold out there, guys. Now, I gotta go hook up to this trailer, pre-trip it somewhat quick, because it's a little cold out there. So, as the yard dog rolls around and he prowls for his next prey. Do 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 do. All right. So, you know, as you guys know, sometimes I don't do the 3 points of contact. But when it's this cold out, do 3 points of contact. These hoses are stiff. Okay. I need to get my hand back in that glove because, man, it's fucking cold. All right, we got some fuel, half tank. That light's a little loose, but should be okay. I mean, I'm kicking on it pretty hard. I'll have to look at it and see if it flickers as I drive. I don't think it will. All right, so we got cat eyes. All right, so the tires will actually air up if they're low. These are super singles. You see, it's one huge tire. It's not like this, okay? This is a regular tire. You see, that's not a super single. These are super singles. I had somebody ask me what a super single was. This line right here is an airline. So the tires, or at least these two, look very brand new. No problems. DOT tape is clear, not covered with salt. Mud flap is attached. DOT bumper and tape. Seal. We got lights. Yeah, we got lights. Yeah, tires are looking good. These look fairly new. I'm not seeing anything wrong with them. There, that light's good. Everything is getting covered with salt. I swear, there's so much salt out here, I'm waiting for Finding Nemo. Maybe Bering Sea crabs going across the ground. I don't know. Everything is frozen. Okay. Now, we don't have anything behind us, so I go ahead and adjust my tandems. Why did the lights go out? Let me bang on the that for a second. All right. Oh, we gotta get some air into the trailer first. Tug test. Tug test is good. Now we gotta get a little bit of air in the system there, so that way we can do the slide. Now the frick. So you saw I rolled the truck forward, so we know that the brakes aren't frozen, which is nice. We're just gonna let that air up like that for a minute. All right, I'll be right back with you. Let me just get warmed up in this truck for a second. All right guys, so we're gonna hit the button. I just pulled the air brakes. So this button right here, we go like that, and that's gonna allow us to slide our tandems. All right. So when you hit that button, don't hit this one. And we just kind of back up. We might need to lock our drives together. Rock it a little bit. We might have to try to go to a different part of the pavement. All right guys, I had to move the truck to concrete right here to slide my tandems. So you hit this little button right here, and it's going to move our slides so that we can slide our tandem. All right. Damn. It doesn't want to slide even here. Yeah, I know. Drives are locked.
It's got
it should help. Alright, let's go check that pin, I guess. What the hell? Guys, you have no idea how cold it is out here. So, sorry I did not finish show you how to slide the tandems. We actually had to call breakdown. The tandems were iced over, the pins were screwed, and I needed like a 40-pound sledgehammer, and I didn't have one. Holy crap. It's so cold, half their diesel pumps are frozen. Like, they're not functioning. Just look at all the cones. So there's one right there, and then all those over there are not working. See, all those pumps are dead. They completely froze. It is so cold out there. You know, you're hitting first level of frostbite in a matter of minutes. I was thinking about taking you guys out there and showing you, but fuck. So now I got 200 miles to go, and then I have a Walmart stop. Now the pavement is actually bone freaking dry. And that, and they got so much salt on it, you could probably cure meat on top of it. But so I guess we're gonna go straight down 47. Yeah, you can see all my exhaust. Yeah, y'all, this kind of cold is a different kind of cold. There's trucks that are literally stuck on the highway because their diesel has gelled. I've been over treating my fuel because one, I don't pay for the treatment. That light got me, almost. I don't pay for that fuel treatment. Swift pays for it. So you know what? If a little bit is good, a whole lot is even better. I even told Swift, I'm like, look, I'm way over treating the fuel, and they're like, you know what? Go right ahead. Because they've had to call out tow trucks to go tow people off the dang highway because the trucks fueled up, you know, not fueled. They gelled up. You know, they couldn't run. So Swift is like, yeah, definitely treat your fuel. You know, they don't care if the fuel's pre-treated. This kind of cold is too cold. It's like a you know, I read a news report earlier. They said the kind of cold we're feeling up here right now is like the same cold you get on Antarctica. That's freaking crazy. Finally getting a little heat back in this truck. My God. This video is gonna be not the best one just because it is so cold. You know, breathing in this air is so cold, it hurts. It's literally freezing the inside of your lungs. that snow fun. We also had to go on the DEF bottle. Can't get at the pumps, they're all frozen. So I've been having to buy the bottle. Swift is gonna have to, you know, do reimbursement. Y'all, it's just been crazy. Anyway, this is gonna be the end of this video. You guys could kind of see how much snow there is. I just left Aura, Illinois. It's 300 or 3 a.m. and it is cold out there. Anyway, take it easy. Oh, please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to any of my videos, check out some of my other ones. I do have some good content, or at least some people say I do. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. Anyway, see ya.